In this video I'm going to show you how to check AirPods battery. That is quite simple and easy, and I'll show you a couple of different ways how to do that. And the first way is to open up the case, so connect AirPods to your device, and in that pop-up you see that for phones it's 100% battery and for case is 30% battery now, and that is the first way to check AirPods battery. The second way is to check your battery from your home screen. For that you have to add their AirPods widget. To be able to do that, tap and hold on any icon on the home screen. After that, select Edit Home Screen and then hit plus icon at the status bar and there find batteries widget. It is right there in the list, it calls batteries, and now you can select between different types of widget. I like that one. I hit add widget and now I can place it wherever I want. I like to place it here and then hit in free space of your screen to go out of edit home screen mode. Now open the case again and right now you can check batteries of your AirPods while in usage. So here you see the battery of your phone, of your speakers and of your AirPods case. And basically that's all about how to check AirPod batteries, so hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.